Melbourne's flatlining property market is opening up new opportunities for investors. While some are deserting the state in protest at higher land taxes, others now say it's the time to snap up a bargain.
While fed-up investors are pulling out of Melbourne, Kaysan Kimberlin is buying in.
Absolutely, I see an opportunity for a lot of growth.
The savvy 35-year-old bought a Perth property before that state boomed. She's used the equity to help buy this three-bedroom home in Melbourne's northwest.
Those sort of bigger townhouses, I think, make a lot of sense from a rental point of view.
Warren Buffett said it better than anyone. Be greedy when people are fearful and fearful when people are greedy.
Investment advisors believe our buyer's market offers a rare chance to secure cheaper homes before prices rebound.
We want an area that hasn't seen the growth yet, and that's the real potential in Melbourne.
Property prices have dropped 4.1% since February, yet rents have surged 26% in the past 3 years. Tax policies and rental reforms have fuelled the investment exodus. But experts believe strong population growth and new infrastructure will help drive house prices back up.
Try and steer clear of all the negativity, look at the bigger picture, understand the fundamentals. Melbourne has a lot of potential from our perspective.
Freedom is on the horizon. So yeah.
Jackie Quist, 7 News.